This thing. Hi, good evening, everybody. So I am Nidhi Sharma, the founder of Proud Single Parents Community. So we are, together, all of us, we are here together because now we are completing fifth year of this community on coming 25th of February, right? So it's been like almost 5 years. We started this family with four people in times of COVID. And then slowly and slowly and slowly, now we are a very big family of more than 6,500 people on Facebook. And we have almost 850 members on WhatsApp, like who are being distributed into multiple groups. So when I say there are 850 people, so these people are divided on WhatsApp into 31 different subgroups, which have like almost 22 cities, including the states, like at the as per the ratio we have divided. Then we have one jobs group in which we have added few people who are from the HR domain. So what they do is we have all the members from there. So we keep on posting new trends or new jobs which are coming up in the market, be it like full time or a remote or a part time, right? So that at least it will be helpful for people like you are searching the job. Then we have one health and fitness group also where the people who are fitness enthusiasts, they keep on sharing the motivation themselves, like by posting their own motivational videos for fitness or photographs or any articles and all. Then we have one music group where, people I've heard, I'm not in that group, but still I've heard that people are very happy in that group because every night, they keep an Takshini session after 9 p.m. and everybody sings there. So there is a policy in that group that no external link is allowed. Only people who are there, they record their own voice and then share the song. So this is also a very good thing to, reevaluate things and, just keep a happy time. Then next we have one finance group. It is called, I think, Money Matters or something. So what we do is we have few people in our group who are into the financial domain, who have expertise or you can say very good experience and knowledge into this financial sector in terms of investment, stocks, and banking. So there, I think few people discuss these things like which stock is growing up and which is growing down. So this is also one of the group. Then we have one the famous of all, the Ludo group, where so many people are there. Almost half of the PSP is there in that group, and that group is live till midnight 2 a.m. I have seen many times like people are playing Ludo till midnight 2 o'clock. So this is how we all are spread here in the WhatsApp community. So the major purpose of this group, as I always say, we are a support platform and we are here to help people. People who are in genuinely need of the help, like in terms of anything, be it any kind of counseling, be it any kind of support they need, everything is there. So now, like I have spoken to everybody n number of times. So today was the call we have kept. I want to share a very good thing with all of the people who are in PSP. We are officially now converting Proud Single Parents into a official trust. Now we will be renaming it to Ekatva, Strength in Single Parenthood. And the name is being chosen by all of the members. We kept a voting among all PSP members, and multiple name options were given. And this name, Ekatva, has got the maximum votes. It was like more than 300 people who have voted for this particular name. So we have founded this particular trust at New Delhi, and we have this four trustees with us who are the actual members in here. Out of those, three are admins. One is me, then Paresh from Mumbai, then Tarun Bharadwaj from Delhi, and one is Yogesh Mishra. He is also from Delhi. Then we have three non-designated members to support us in that particular trust. So when I say, I'll just give you a very brief of the objective of the trust. So we receive many of the queries, or you can say helping requests from members from multiple cities, people who do not have jobs, but they have their kids to, make them for school and anything, if any health need is there. So we have divided this thing into like what help we can provide to people. So first of all, when I say the major, the only the people who will be eligible for that particular help, they will be the official child custody owners. Like when I say single parent, so I only mean single parent to those people who are, who have lost their partners and taking care of the children, and then who are the official custodial owners. not the parents who are not in touch with the children or who are not meeting them or who are not even touch with them over the call. Even if the call cases are going on, but still we will not be counting those people in this category of single parents going forward, right? So first is like where our only eligibility will be official child custody owners, particularly from the divorce cases and those who have lost their spouses. Second is saying we will be providing emotional support through counseling, therapy, and other peer group session like we used to conduct every time. So when I say this counseling and therapies, we have onboarded two people from one from Chennai and one from Bangalore. They are working with the leading hospitals there as a psychiatrist. One is a psychologist and one is a psychiatrist. So now when we go out for a session, generally we pay very hefty amounts to them. So these two doctors, they have agreed to work with us. Like they will be taking pro bono sessions, and the duration of that first session will not be fixed. Ki it is a 15-minute call or half an hour. First pro bono session will be there. Whosoever will be coming to us for the help. And then next for 3 sessions, that doctor will be charging 1,000 rupees. That will be paid by the PSP only. So we are doing this thing because we want to help people now. Because so many cases have come up, like people who are undergoing severe depression, and they people seriously need help. So for this particular cause, the emotional counseling or you can psychiatric help, if any medication is needed, everything will be taken care by PSP for the people who are genuinely in that particular need. Then we are coming up with the offering like financial aid to the parents who are unable to take care of the children. Like we have many mothers here, particularly who were like not working during their marriage or who were not working while their spouse was alive. So for that particular females, or you can say women who do not have any job and also who do not have any kind of support from everybody, so we will be here and we will be sponsoring the education of those children. So this all thing will be done by validating all the documents, whatever the people are coming up with the cases. So we'll be validating all the documents with all the proofs that this is a need, and we will be doing the best support help which we can do. Because our major thing is like now we are cases are coming up to us. So we were helping the people like once in a year or two children or three maximum in 1 year. So the major idea of channelizing this into a professional thing was so that at least we can help maximum number of people. If we have if we are working in this thing in a very channelized way, then हम लोग बहुत ज़्यादा से ज़्यादा लोगों को हम help कर सकते हैं, right? So first will be like offering financial support, second emotional support, third we are planning to have employment opportunities for few single parents, like people who are educated in terms of their degrees, but they are not skilled enough to get a job. Like some people are there who are not having any basic idea about the computer handling or internet or anything. So now we will be keeping few people on the panel who will train them in terms of their communication skill, in terms of their internet savvy things, or in terms of their interpersonal skill. Whatever the help, whatever the way a person can be groomed, we will be doing it. So that at least people can start. Somebody who is sitting at zero, if that person will start earning 15,000 or even 10,000, that will give confidence to them. वहां से आपकी एक साइकिल शुरू हो जाएगी. द डे यू विल स्टार्ट अर्निंग, आपका कॉन्फिडेंस बढ़ता जाएगा एंड योर डेफिनेटली योर अर्निंग विल ऑल्सो इंक्रीज. तो उसके लिए उनको कैसे ट्रेन करना है, बिकॉज वी हैव सो मेनी वेबसाइट्स हु प्रोवाइड वर्क फ्रॉम होम ऑप्शन, बट आई हैव सीन दैट मेनी पीपल डू नॉट नो हाउ टू यूज देम बेसिकली. सो देर आर अपॉर्चुनिटीज. सो हमारा थर्ड जो एजेंडा उसमें यही है कि वी विल बी प्रोवाइडिंग एम्प्लॉयमेंट अपॉर्चुनिटीज फॉर द स्ट्रगलिंग सिंगल पेरेंट्स. जिनके पास कुछ नहीं है, we will start them at least so that at least they can stand on their feet again. Then, like we have done in the past, we will be doing the children counseling sessions every alternate quarter. We'll be keeping a calendar, like we have 12 months in a year. So we will be dividing the complete financial year of 12 months into 12 different sessions, in which one career counseling or child counseling or psychological guidance, whatever the things is there. So we will be distributing those 12 sessions into that particular calendar, and we will be following that, which can be done offline in every cities if we are able to do, or online for the pan India or city wise. if it is possible to have offline session like we have done one round table last 2 months back in Delhi. It was a very great session. 35 people have attended this session. We had a meeting in a conference hall and everybody spoke their heart out and whatever the past was there and how they see their future. We have given that heading as that, like how we foresee ourselves in next, is it a worth to give a second chance to us being a single parent? That was the title of that roundtable. So we had that meeting. So I'm expecting such sessions to be held on the pan India level. We can do it online, offline, whatever suits us as per the majority. So next is your, I already said that, conducting awareness program that we'll be doing in this session. And last will be, we'll be connecting the people who are single parents with like childcare professionals, educational consultants, and healthcare resources. So that we already have a group where all doctors are there. So in case you have any issue, you can reach out to your state-wise or city-wise admin, and that person can directly check with the doctors group. Now we are doing it, but I think majority of the people are not aware that we are having this facility with us. So we have general physician, then cardiologist, then आपके radiologist are also there. Then we have one surgeon also in that group. So purpose of that making that group is अगर आपको कुछ भी query है, you can immediately drop a text or a call to the respective city admin, and then you can just send a query as a message, and that message will be sent out to the doctors group. So whosoever is available, they can immediately revert to you.